If Microsoft Edge is giving you trouble when downloading files and you keep running into an error, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Microsoft Edge download errors by adjusting a security setting and clearing your browser cache. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look over to the left side and click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls a lot of the browser's security and browsing behavior, so this is where we need to make the first change. Now scroll down until you reach the Security section. You may need to scroll a little farther depending on your screen size, but once you find Security, look for Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. This feature is designed to help protect you from suspicious websites and downloads, but sometimes it can block files that are safe and cause download errors in Edge. Go ahead and toggle off Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. After turning that off, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. This helps remove corrupted browser data that may be interfering with downloads. To do that quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. A clear browsing data window will appear. Make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then choose the time range you want to clear. If you're not sure, you can clear everything from the beginning or at least the last several days. Once you've selected the right options, click Clear Now. After that, give Microsoft Edge a moment to finish, then try downloading your file again. In many cases, this simple combination of turning off SmartScreen and clearing cookies and cache is enough to fix the issue and get downloads working properly again. If it still doesn't work, you may want to restart Edge or your computer and try once more. But for most users, this method solves the problem quickly and safely. If this video helped you fix Microsoft Edge download errors, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.